So picture this. You're waking up after a great night out, maybe a party or just drinks with some friends. But along with that fuzzy-headed feeling, you notice something else, this kind of weird dull ache on your right side. What is that? And, should you actually be worried about it?
Yeah, if that question feels a little too familiar, you are definitely not alone. A lot of people just brush it off thinking it's just, another lovely part of a hangover. But it's not. It's a very specific signal coming from a very important organ.
Okay, so let me be crystal clear about this. Feeling pain in your liver area after drinking is not, I repeat, not a normal side effect. It's a serious warning sign that something is wrong, and it's really time to start paying attention.
And that feeling? It isn't just your body being a little dramatic. It's a direct message from your liver that it's been damaged. To really get why this pain is such a massive deal, we first need to understand a little something about how your liver is built. Just think about it for a second. Your skin, your muscles, they are loaded with nerve endings that scream, ouch, the second something's wrong. Your liver, though, it's different. It's a tough, resilient organ with very few of its own pain receptors. So if you can actually feel it hurting, it means the problem has already gotten big enough to cause some serious inflammation or swelling.
So what in the world is actually happening inside this incredible detox factory when you have a few drinks? To understand the damage, we've got to first understand the process.
It really all boils down to a three-step chemical reaction. First, the alcohol shows up at the liver, which is its main processing plant. Then, these specialized enzymes, kind of like tiny factory workers, get going, breaking it all down. But this process creates a pretty dangerous byproduct.
And right here, this is the villain of our story, acetaldehyde. This stuff is seriously toxic. We're talking about a known carcinogen, and it is the main culprit that directly attacks and damages your liver cells. It causes inflammation and basically sets the stage for much bigger problems later on.
So that dull ache you might feel, it's the result of real physical damage. But what form does that damage actually take? Let's break down the 5 main reasons your liver could be hurting.
There are 5 distinct types of injury that can cause that pain, and each one can kind of build on the last.
First up, we have fatty liver disease. When your liver is constantly busy processing alcohol, it messes with how it handles fat. So these little fat globules start to build up inside its cells. And this is unbelievably common. We're talking it develops in over 90% of heavy drinkers. It's really the first and most widespread stage of damage.
Now, if the drinking continues, that fatty liver can progress to what's called alcoholic hepatitis. Hepatitis literally just means inflammation of the liver. The organ gets all swollen and tender, and this is the stage where those more obvious symptoms, like feeling exhausted all the time, jaundice, and that specific abdominal pain really start to kick in.
Remember our villain, acetaldehyde? Well, this is its direct assault. The compound is so toxic it just straight up kills liver cells on contact. Over time, all this repeated cell death triggers a scarring process, which starts to lay the groundwork for permanent, irreversible damage.
The 4th reason is, well, it's purely mechanical. As the liver gets inflamed and filled with damaged cells, it physically swells up. Now, the liver is wrapped in this thin protective membrane, kind of like a capsule. As the liver expands, it stretches that capsule, which, unlike the liver itself, does have nerve endings. And that stretching is what causes that very distinct, dull, throbbing ache.
And finally, we get to cirrhosis. This is the end stage after years and years of damage. So much of the healthy liver tissue has been killed off and replaced by hard scar tissue that the organ just can't do its job anymore. This is a severe condition, and it affects about 10 to 20% of long-term heavy drinkers.
So pain is the most direct signal for sure, but it's very rarely the only one. Your body often sends out a whole cluster of warning signs that something is seriously wrong with your liver.
This quote really sums it all up perfectly. That pain isn't a minor side effect. It's your body's alarm system. Ignoring it is kind of like ignoring a fire alarm just because the noise is annoying.
So, besides that pain in your upper right abdomen, you've got to be on the lookout for these other signals too. Jaundice, that yellowing of the skin and eyes, is a classic sign. But so are some less obvious things, like always feeling tired, swelling in your legs, or even just noticing that you're bruising way more easily than you used to.
Okay, so we've definitely covered a lot of the bad news. The good news? The liver is an incredibly resilient organ. It wants to heal, but it absolutely needs your help. So what does that path to recovery actually look like?
Well, the healing can start a lot faster than you might think. Sure, key enzymes that signal stress are really high within the first 24 hours of drinking. But if you stop, things start turning around pretty quick.
Within just 2 to 4 weeks, inflammation can begin to go down, and your liver function measurably improves. And after a month, that healing process is well underway.
And this is the most crucial point of all. There is no magic pill. There's no complicated treatment that works better than this one simple step. The single most important thing you can possibly do to let your liver heal is to stop giving it the very poison it's struggling to process. Abstinence is everything.
And let me just say, this part is completely non-negotiable. If you're experiencing persistent pain or you see any of those signs like jaundice or swelling, do not wait. Don't just Google it. Make an appointment to see a doctor. When it comes to liver disease, catching it early can make all the difference in the world.
Your body has this built-in warning system. That ache after a night out isn't just some minor inconvenience. It's a direct, urgent message. So the only real question left is, are you ready to listen to what it's trying to tell you?
Okay, let's talk about what's really happening to your liver after a big night out.
You know that dull ache on your right side after a party? Yeah, that's not just a hangover.
Nope, that pain is your liver literally telling you it's swollen and inflamed. It's a cry for help.
It's a condition called steatosis, or fatty liver. And yep, it can happen after just one binge.
Get this, over 90% of heavy drinkers get a fatty liver. It's an immediate response.
So how does this happen? Well, when your liver processes alcohol, it creates a toxic chemical. This chemical, acetaldehyde, is the real bad guy here. It directly attacks your liver cells.
And you can actually see the proof in your blood. Key liver enzymes spike within just 24 hours.
That spike is basically your liver screaming for help, and it leaves it super vulnerable.
Scientists call it the two-hit hypothesis. That fatty liver is hit number 1, making it fragile.
But here's the good news. Your liver is an amazing healer. It can totally bounce back. So, what's the path to recovery? First, and most important, stop drinking. Then, focus on nutrition.
And check out this timeline. The healing can start fast. Inflammation can drop in just a few weeks.
Your liver can heal, for sure. But the real question is, how many times can it take the hit?